So happy to be here to introduce you to the new Horizon MemoryCraft 15000 version 2, Janome's most versatile machine ever. If you love sewing, quilting, embroidering, and designing, the MemoryCraft 15000 version 2 is the machine for you. We've got 15 ways to being fabulous. The Horizon MemoryCraft 15000 is the world's first wireless-enabled sewing machine. More and more of us are connected with mobile devices, and now you can edit designs, plan projects, and send designs to the MemoryCraft 15000 using an iPad or your PC. And now, the MemoryCraft 15000 version 2 has passed the strict interconnection test established by the Wi-Fi Alliance and is now a Wi-Fi certified product. The MemoryCraft 15000 version 2 is the first sewing machine to proudly carry the Wi-Fi symbol. Now let's talk about going big. The beautiful 9-inch high-definition screen is powered by Janome's fastest and most powerful processor. The MemoryCraft 15000 has a stitch capacity of 200,000 stitches per embroidery design and will use up to a 32 gig USB stick. And it is just more than a pretty space. The Horizon MemoryCraft 15000 boasts an 11-inch bed to the right of the needle. There's also 6 inches to the left to support your sewing projects and make it comfortable. The embroidery arm collapses into the back of the machine. So the Janome MemoryCraft 15000 is still the most compact embroidery machine you can buy. And I love our new color scheme. The new default color and the opening screen and the accent light is purple. And just because it's so much fun, you can change the accent light. And now with version 2, we can select graded coloring or rainbow for a moving light display. The MemoryCraft 15000 is going to give you unlimited creativity with a multitude of designs. There are 480 built-in embroidery designs. You can create beautiful things such as this leather jacket or this blouse using just the designs and stitches that are built into the machine. Included in those 480 designs are collections from 5 designers: Leah Day, Jenny Hart, Noriko Noazawa, Lonnie Rossi, and Tiara Shelties. The Horizon MemoryCraft 15000 also comes with 5 hoops. We have the Square 14, which is a 5.5-inch embroidery area, the Square 23 with slightly over a 9-inch square embroidery area, the GR hoop, which is slightly over 9 and almost 12 inches, and our special hoop for quilting, ASQ 22, which has an 8.7-inch square quilting area. Also included is the free arm hoop. This is great for those tiny projects. It has an embroidery area of 3.9 inches by 1.6. These hoops all have an original trapezoid design, which is engineered to be a more stable hoop and hold the fabric very secure. The MemoryCraft 15000 version 2 is compatible with the new optional Essential hoop, which has the embroidery field of 5 by 7. This hoop also comes with 50 embroidery designs. Simply go to the Edit function in the embroidery mode and select the RE18 hoop to create your project. If you already own a Horizon MemoryCraft 15000 version 1, you can go to the Janome website and update your machine to version 2 for free. And since we're talking about embroidery, this is an exciting new function that I'm very thrilled about. I can now do auto corner in the edit mode for fast and easy layouts. And if you love monochromatic embroidery as much as I do, you'll love the new button found in the edit mode that will convert all the colors into one for very elegant embroidery projects. The Horizon MemoryCraft 15000 version 2 also now supports DST format files. Simply place these files on your USB stick and open them in the machine. This will give you access to even more embroidery designs. And we all have those days when stuff happens. The MemoryCraft 15000 has a new stitch number button that will let you enter in the exact stitch number you want to move to. So you just enter in your number, touch OK, and you can start embroidering right at that spot. A great way to jumpstart your imagination is by exploring all the decorative stitches in your machine. There are 10 new decorative stitches have been added, so there's now a total of 500. Then when you add the Stitch Composer, the tool for creating your own stitches, your design possibilities are endless. The MemoryCraft 15000 comes with 21 feet, and they're all packed in that wonderful storage case. This way you have the right foot for every technique. And there are 5 AccuFeed Flex feet packed right in the box with the machine, and 4 free motion feet. It seems like it's a little thing, but the results are really big. There are so many different thread choices today, and they all come on a variety of spool types. The new Tiny Spool Cap is going to give you the right tool, which makes using a wide variety of threads more enjoyable. Quilting is all the rage, and the Horizon MemoryCraft 15000 has all the features you need. Janome engineers have made this the only machine you need for quilting. With the speed control, automatic presser foot lifter, auto pivot, the AccuFeed Flex dual feed system, and the etched needle plate markings, all your sewing will be so precise, easy, and rewarding. Then using the ASQ22 hoop and the AccuFill program, quilting in the hoop has never been simpler. You won't need to send your quilts out anymore. And Janome knows how to make the time you spend at your machine more comfortable. MemoryCraft 15000 features the highlight that places a shadow-free light right over the needle area where you need to see the most. And it comes with a magnifier in 3 different magnifications to relieve eye stress for hours of sewing pleasure. The frictionless extension table gives you plenty of support for sewing projects and even the large hoops. And I love using the extra large foot control with the remote thread cutter. Safety is always a first, and the locking feature has been improved. When the thread breaks or a needle threader button is used, a pop-up window will open, so you simply need to touch the lock on the screen. Then thread the needle with your automatic needle threader. Ease of use at its best. Comfort can also be found in the less obvious features. We have the top-loading full rotary hook jam-proof bobbin system, our SFS Plus superior feed system, which features the 7-point feed dogs and adjustable pressure on the presser foot. Also, you'll get a high-tension bobbin case. These all give you worry-free sewing. And we all like more efficient tools to make our time more productive. The one-step needle plate and the automatic needle threader are the perfect tools for ease and efficiency. And the machine comes with the straight stitch needle plate for sewing fine fabrics and precision embroidery. Sewing applications makes all your sewing tasks simple, as the machine will automatically make the settings and tell you the correct foot you need for the 12 of the most common sewing techniques. And now when you use the exclusive variable zigzag, you can set the maximum width. This makes it simpler for the thread artist to fine-tune your work. If you haven't seen this, make sure to ask your local Janome dealer to give you a demonstration of variable zigzag. The MemoryCraft 15000 comes with its own software package, Horizon Link Suite. This is 7 tools in one. I mentioned 2 of these tools already, the AccuFill and Stitch Composer. AccuFill will calculate your quilting area and automatically adjust the quilt motif to fit that area. And then you can print templates for precise embroidery placement. Then you can create your own decorative stitches with the Stitch Composer. You use the Embroidery Link tool to access all of the embroidery designs in your library. You can edit them just as if you were editing on the machine and then send them wirelessly to the machine and even print templates, once again for your perfect placement. The Pattern Combo tool lets you create stitch combinations from the ease of your computer. The Screensaver lets you customize the photos, so when your machine goes to sleep, you could have your own photo display. You'll simply install Horizon Link Suite on your PC to access these tools. Janome has thought of everything. For Horizon MemoryCraft 15000 version 1 owners, the update for version 1.2 is found at the Janome website. A new function in the AccuFill tool is continuous line quilting. When you use designs created for continuous line quilting, the program will automatically remove the locking stitches at the beginning and end of the overlapping stitches. This is going to speed up your quilting and give you beautiful back. So once again, if you own a MemoryCraft 15000 version 1, there's a free update for Horizon Link Suite. And then you'll be able to use this new continuous line quilting function too. Now I want to tell you about the 3 exclusive Janome apps for the iPad: AccuEdit, AccuMonitor, and the new AccuDesign. AccuEdit will let you do all of the editing functions that you could do on the machine on your iPad. And then you can wirelessly send the designs from the iPad to your machine. AccuMonitor will track your embroidery while you're away from the machine. Take your iPad any place within the range of your router and you can monitor your design. And the new app, AccuDesign, lets you import stitch files and modify them anytime, anywhere. There's powerful design tools, and it comes with 500 free embroidery designs. This app is for purchase for $49.95 at the App Store. The basic apps, AccuEdit and AccuMonitor, have been modified to match the iOS 7's design. For MemoryCraft 15000 version 1 owners, these updates are available now in the App Store. 9 fonts have been added to AccuEdit, so now you have a total of 10 fonts. And the new optional RE18 hoop is now available to work with in the app. AccuMonitor will give you more information while the machine is working. You'll see the needle drop position, the remaining time of the embroidery, as well as a thumbnail of the entire design. And you can zoom in to see closer where that needle's going. This will ensure you can monitor the design in the manner you like the best. I'm very excited about our new app, AccuDesign. It's an embroidery app that allows you to import and modify stitch files. And you can use your iPad or your iPhone. And like I said, it comes with 500 free embroidery designs. It has very sophisticated editing capabilities. You can resize, mirror, and the design or specific objects of the design, and it will automatically adjust the stitch density. You can rotate and slant the design. You can move, add, or delete stitches, and you can copy and paste, delete objects from the design. There's also a great tool called Auto Fit that will automatically resize the design to the hoop that you choose, and it will automatically adjust the stitch density. The AccuDesign app will use all of the listed stitch formats, and it is available in the App Store. To learn more about the AccuDesign, go to the YouTube video Introduction to AccuDesign on the Janome USA channel. And when you own a Janome MemoryCraft 15,000 version 2, you become part of the Janome family. Janome is known for inspiring creativity and innovation while building quality machines that are so simple to use. Please visit your local Janome dealer to see in person this outstanding sewing, quilting, and embroidery machine, the MemoryCraft 15,000 version 2. And when you purchase yours, you will receive a free iPad Air and the AccuDesign app, which is worth $49.95. Your dealer may be offering special financing, so make sure and ask. Once again, if you own a MemoryCraft 15,000 version 1, go to the Janome website to download the free update to version 2, as well as the update for Horizon Link Suite. And you can visit the App Store to purchase the AccuDesign app. I want to thank you for joining me today.